So let's go ahead and get a little bit fancier. So rather than having to comb through all of the data and all of the analyses, let's have Quinn give us an overview of the findings. So let me actually go ahead and pull up the Quinn chat, and I'm going to ask Quinn to give me the main findings of this study. And so in just a few seconds, you can already start to see that Quinn isn't going to just be summarizing or regurgitating data to you. It's actually going to draw from the research expertise that we have built into it and using what we already know about the MaxDiff method, right? And so you can actually see here that it has given me a little blurb about what this analysis is looking at. So it's looking at factors influencing purchasing decisions in the milk and milk alternatives market. Cow's milk leads, but plant-based alternatives are gaining popularity, sustainability, influences consumer loyalty. So it's giving you a few little summarizations here. And actually, we can go ahead, go to the report group, and we can start to see that it's given us this summary, and it's actually pulled several charts for us as well already. All right, so this is pretty good, right? It's pulling some interesting data for you here, but I feel like I know what you're thinking again. Maybe you're thinking, this is cool, B, like fine, but obviously my team is way more sophisticated. They want to go deeper. And let me guess, you guys have stakeholders that are the type to ask you about every single subgroup imaginable. I think that this happens to every single researcher out there. So let's actually preempt some of those questions that we might get from our stakeholders and save a little bit of time. So let me go ahead and I'm going to open up Quinn, and I am asking if there's any differences in males versus females in their preferences for milk labels. So again, here Quinn is going to think about this. It's working on our request. And in just a moment, you'll see that it is going to help us understand these subgroup splits. So you'll notice in just a minute that it's going to point us to some differences, right? So here we have it. Females prefer USDA organic and sustainably sourced labels. And let's actually go ahead and look at the charts that it created for us here. So it created actually this nice MaxDiff chart split by males and females. You can actually see the live stat testing as well. So it's giving you a little bit of an overview of what these differences are, but we still have a lot of room to apply our expertise in this interpretation. So we always want to be using it together with our own expertise.